Alright, what I want to show everybody here is this little thing here. See if the video can capture it. It's a spacer with a grade A bolt and a washer. So this is purchased from a company called 4 Crawler, number 4 Crawler. As you can see, it's a 3D printed spacer and a washer. And what you do is you come right here, and this is the driver's side seat, and you take off your original bolt, you take off the little cover here. Sorry for the camera going all over the place. And you can see here, let me zoom in a little bit. You see the spacer? You just take the bolt off. You probably need so both sides. Put the spacer right here, the washer, and then the bolt. And loosen your front seats. And then you just put this little sucker back on. Just a little piece of plastic. You probably need 2 hands because you got to split it apart. There you go. Back on. You got a little gap here, but you can see the other side here. You got a little gap here. Need to go under, but it's a piece of plastic covers it. And what it does is it levels your seat. And a lot of people complain about the seat, like you're sitting in a hole, and so it's annoying. And after long drives, it hurts your back, and it doesn't feel good after a while. So by putting this up, you're sitting a little higher. You notice it. This right here is a 1-inch spacer, and the one that's right in there is a 1.5-inch spacer. So I had the 1-inch spacer and didn't quite feel good, so I felt okay, and then I put the 1.5-inch spacer, and it's remarkably different. It's like you're sitting in a different car, and definitely helps. The other thing I wanted to show everybody is a little tip. Don't know if anyone's ever noticed this, but in the back of your headrests, how you look behind you and you can't see out your back window. So you can either take the headrest off or do this little trick, because you'll see that it's got this little thing here. So you lift the headrest all the way up, and then you kind of wiggle it. It goes down. Little swivel thing here. You can see it. So you either take your headrest off or tilt it back up. So just wanted to show everybody quick little tips. And this seat spacer, I'll put the link in the description. It's from 4 Crawler, and it's an awesome little product, and save your back. Talk to you guys later.